What if I told you that the freedom to work from anywhere on your own terms is just a few trades away? Sounds exciting, right? But here's the catch. 95% of beginners lose money when they start day trading. That's right, most fail before they even get started. Why? Because they're flying blind, chasing profits without a plan. But you're different. Today, I'm giving you a proven roadmap to kickstart your day trading journey in 2024. Stay with me till the end, trust me. You won't want to miss the game-changing tips I've saved for last. Oh, and if you think this is about gambling in the market, let me stop you right there. This isn't Vegas. This is strategy. Let's dive in. Setting the stage. What is day trading? Day trading is like playing chess, not roulette. It's about making calculated moves in the stock market, buying and selling assets within the same day to capitalize on small price movements. The goal? Profits, of course, but it's also about discipline, focus, and preparation. Imagine this. You jump into the market, no strategy, no risk management. You're confident, but within minutes, your portfolio tanks. But that's the harsh reality for beginners who skip the basics. But don't worry, you're about to learn how to avoid those rookie mistakes. Let's start with the first step. The planned steps to start day trading. First, arm yourself with knowledge. Read books, take courses, and watch reputable trading tutorials. Trading isn't about gut feelings. It's about understanding technical analysis, patterns, and market psychology. Quick question. Would you go skydiving without a parachute? No? Then why trade without learning the basics? Once you've got a foundation, it's time to build your strategy. Choosing a strategy, whether it's scalping, momentum trading, or swing trading, find what suits your style. Test your approach using a demo account. Yes, pretend money. By the way, did you know that some strategies can yield consistent profits with as little as a 55% win rate? More on that later. Risk management, here's a golden rule. Never risk more than 1–2% of your capital on a single trade. Treat your capital like it's your lifeline, because it is. Think of it this way, with proper risk management, even a losing streak won't wipe you out. That's the power of discipline. Now that you've got your strategy and risk management locked in, let's talk tools. Tools and platforms. Choose a reliable trading platform with low fees, real-time data, and advanced charting tools. Popular options include Thinker and TradingView. And don't forget, a fast internet connection and dual monitors can be your best friends. Unless, of course, you enjoy squinting at tiny charts on your phone while your Wi-Fi buffers. Alright, you're equipped. But there's one more critical piece. The mindset. Staying in the game, day trading is 80% psychology and 20% strategy. Fear, greed, and overconfidence are your worst enemies. Create a trading journal to track your wins, losses, and emotions during trades. This isn't just about making money, it's about mastering yourself. Every trade is a test of your discipline. Fail to control your emotions, and the market will punish you. Harsh? Yes. True? Absolutely. But here's the good news. With the right mindset, you can turn even small wins into a consistent income stream. Want to know how? Now you have the foundation to start day trading with confidence. Remember, it's not about getting rich overnight. It's about building a sustainable path to financial freedom. Ready for the next step? Check out my video on advanced trading strategies. It's linked right here on the end screen. Don't wait, because the market waits for no one. Masterminds B and F. Clickable link to related video appears. Mastering Advanced Trading Strategies. Money Mind.